This is probably the last video and last scrap haul being done with this truck. Probably my last day with this truck. We'll see how the day goes. But scheduled to trade this off today for a first generation Dodge. Almost lost my tools, apparently. I need to put them up. Yeah. So the General's gonna be going bye-bye today, most likely. And I need to get Big Red Monster here up and running again. I just need to get a wiring harness. So I might end up having a first gen Dodge and a second gen if today goes according to plan. We will see. It's the next day, and this is the first time, well, I'm seeing this truck here. First time I'm seeing this truck in the broad daylight where I can see everything, because I got it last night in the dark. Now I do know that it runs good. I drove it a whole hour, 45 minutes home from where I had to go get it, and it's alright-ish. I mean, it's rough. I can already tell it's a little rough, but I know it's a good truck. So we got a bunch of random holes drilled into everywhere. I'm not sure what that's about. Now the guy did tell me that when I got it, that people had it before him had light bars all over the truck. So this must have been where they drilled and brought wires out, which is stupid because you got a grill, you could have, but whatever. No front bumper. Busted. It's got this thing where when I turn the steering wheel, the wipers come, one wiper comes on, one of them works. Anyway, so I got a dent to fix. It's not too bad though, because it's just solid steel. Okay, no bottom trim, no big deal. Before I get to the back, interior, mobile dumpster. Bed, mobile dumpster, but we got our vice grip windows, spray paint overspray on the windows everywhere. One thing I like about this truck, it does have an immaculate, not busted original dash, and then you got a wood screw into that immaculate dash. Okay, immaculate bench seat except for that rip. We got our audio system in the back. At least I got some new valve covers, because I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, we're a little rusted through there, but that's no big deal. I actually have a rear bumper, thank God. Tailgate, it opens, but there's a trick to it that takes two hands. So I got a tail light, and then I gotta bust it up. What the hell kind of tail light? How is that even in there? Busted, whatever. We'll look at that later, because I know I got a bolt out in one of these, and I'm assuming it's that one. Okay, more rust. Not too bad though, because it's still very solid, and they stopped it. Okay, I got two dry rotted spares that may, yeah, that one's flat. I don't know if that other one's flat or not. And I got a bunch of bottled water and a mobile dumpster. Okay, well, now this side of the truck, we got some cool little locking mechanisms our speaker wires running across the floorboard, which I plan on fixing all that. Okay, inside the truck now. Got an aftermarket radio, got heat, no AC. Got our nitrous oxide, just kidding, that's a toggle switch that goes to nothing. Our headlights, our turn signal, windshield wipers, our turning windshield wipers, and then the shifter. And then we got ignition, and this is the funny part. Let's see, there. Yeah. So, oh. I forgot, there's some way you can take the ignition out, but all right. Thank God the radio works. Okay, let's give you a full review of the motor. Okay, so the motor here, we got our Redneck Ingenuity battery. I'm not even sure what all these wires are going to be honest, but at least the truck actually runs. And I don't know what the hell this shit is either. Okay. And now we got our motor. It's a little crusty and a little rusty. We got a nice little breather that I plan on actually swapping that back around so that I can get good vacuum. She does look like she may have a water pump leak, but I am not sure on that one. I haven't seen anything leaking, so it may be an oil leak. A slow oil leak. We'll check the oil in a minute. Okay, there's nothing in the windshield washer fluid reservoir. There's a little bit down there in the coolant overflow, which it looks like the bottom's cracked out. I don't know how that's still going. It looks like we got the heater core actually right here, so that's badass. At least I don't have to replace the heater core inside the truck if heater core goes bad. I got the old school metal radiator. Let's see if she's got. Oh yeah, she's topped off. Looks a little crusty down in there, but she's working. I don't know what in the world's up with this hose. Why is there so much gapping there, and how is it not leaking? But, let's check the oil. What is that? Okay. Oh, she looks like she needs an oil change badly. We will come to that later. I can get the dipstick back in the thing with one hand. There we go. So, well, so far that's all I got on her. I might show a video stomping on her later and showing what she's got. Oh, at least my windshield wiper motor is on the outside too to be able to replace. So it's another plus, I guess. All right.